Hey guys, it's Becky and I'm back with another video. So this video is Family Dollar related. So if you guys didn't know, if you have the Family Dollar app on your phone, when you open it, at the very top you're gonna see this little section where it says Smart Spins, and it has it tells you how many spins you have. So play it now, and every time you spin you win coupons. Like I won a 3 off of 15, and then I also won a 4 off of 20, and I think it was a $10 off of 40. So every time you spin, you get coupons, and you can play again. So how you get more spins is when you go to Family Dollar, make sure they scan your app or put your phone number in the pin pad, and you'll get some more spins. So I wanted to let you guys know about that because that is awesome. Like right here, I got a 4 off of 20. I already used my 3 off of 15, and I'm going to show you guys what my transaction of me using the 3 off of 15 and the items I got. Alright guys, so I did get a 3 off of 15 digital coupon from the spin. So I used that. So these are the items I got. This is the all clear detergent. This is fluid ounces. This is on sale this week for $2.95. $2 off digital fabric softener on sale for $3.95. There's the $2 off digital coupon for that. And that one is the 41 fluid ounces. The Gain detergent, you know that's the 40 fluid ounces. That is on sale also for $3.95, and there's a $2 off digital coupon. Softener, this is a 46 loads. That is on sale for $3.95. There's a $2 off digital coupon. And then before coupons, my total with all these was about like 14 something. So I needed a filler, and I needed dog food, so I just got this little thing. I needed a quick little meal for my dog, so this was $1.75, and there was no coupons for this. But instead of that, for a little quick filler, I guess you can get the Tide Pods, the Simply, the yellow packs. I think they're on sale for $2.95, and there's a $2 off digital coupon, making the final price 95 cents. That would be a good filler for this transaction. Or you can also get a Mr. Clean for $2, and there's a 50-cent off digital coupon. There's a bunch of other stuff you can substitute to get your total over $15, and you'll get a better deal. But I just needed dog food, so I had to get something with dog food. So my total was over $15. I didn't have a digital coupon for that, but a $2 off digital coupon came off for that, $2 off for this one, $2 off and $2 off. So after coupons, I just put in my phone number in the pin pad. My phone number and my 3 off of 15 came off, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 $8 in digitals came off, and out of pocket I paid $5 and 55 cents plus tax was including tax. It was not a bad deal because you're getting a bunch of laundry items for $6.50, but I could have got even a better deal if I could have added something that I had a digital coupon for, but I didn't because I needed that. So I went ahead and got these items. So yeah guys, y'all need to go to your Family Dollar app and spin the wheel. If you've had it downloaded on your app, you can probably spin the wheel already. If you're just downloading it, go to your dollar store, your Family Dollar, and buy something, and make sure you scan your barcode or put your phone number in the pin pad, and you'll get a free spin. And you can either get a 3 off of 15, a 4 off of 20, or a 10 off of 40, I think. So go to your Family Dollar app and spin the wheel to see what items you get. To see what coupons you get. And then I also spent the wheel again because I got another spin for doing this transaction. I got $5 off of when I spent $20 in rugs or anything floor related, which is rugs, towels. So yeah, there's a lot of other stuff they can give you when you spin. So make sure you guys go to your Family Dollar app and spin the wheel. And yeah guys, this is my receipt right here, in case you guys wanted to see. So you see the all detergent is $2.95, $2 off digital coupon, the Gain is $3.95, $2 off digital coupon. $3.95, $2 off digital coupon. Super easy deal, guys.